Hi, my name is Zach.
We're the Kinos.
I'm Beverly.
My name is Jeff.
My name is Katie, and I feel safe at Fit Solana Beach.
And I feel safe here at Fit East Village.
And we feel safe at Fit Carmel Mountain.
And I feel safe at Fit Little Italy.
And I feel safe at Fit Mission Beach, and I'm doing my part to keep you safe.
Hi, I'm Beverly Victor, a member of Fit Little Italy. Fit has done a great job implementing these new safety procedures and making me feel very confident to come here and work out.
Hi, I'm George, and this is my wife, Jennifer.
And we're members at Fit Carmel Mountain.
Yeah, since they've introduced the new app, we really like it.
Yeah.
It's been nice to plan your day out. You go into the app, you select your time slot.
It keeps us accountable, making sure we get out of the house. So it's nice. I really like the check-in process.
And once you get here, you just fall in line to take your temperature, scan your code, and off you go.
Hi, my name is Zach Smith, and I am a member at Fit East Village. Yeah, I feel like there's this common consensus of everyone really wanting things to stay open and work together. And I've really noticed that at Fit, that people are doing a good job of coming together and keeping separation, wiping down equipment so that we can stay open and we can have this normalcy in our lives.
Hi, I'm Jeff, and I'm a member of Fit at Mission Beach. I tried working out when the gyms were closed. I did it for a little bit, but I needed to be in a facility away from my home. And I gotta believe that that's a common thought with the people that I'm seeing here, and would encourage anybody to come to the gym. It's safe, it's enjoyable, it's fun, get back to a little bit of normalcy.
Hi, my name is Katie, and I am a member at Fit Solana Beach. We have to create an appointment, so they limit the amount of people that come in every time slot. They clean at the whole gym. In between each time slot, they have antibacterial wipes at every station so that you can wipe down before and after you use everything. And I really do see people here using all of the wipes and being really safe when they work out. We all wear face coverings, and everybody's very respectful of the new rules. So yes, I definitely feel really safe in working out here.